Welcome back to Fact Friday, everybody. If you think insulin resistance is just about blood sugar, think again. It's actually one of the most powerful disruptors of the entire hormonal system. And when insulin is out of balance, every other hormone from the thyroid to testosterone to cortisol starts to fall apart too. Insulin isn't just a sugar hormone. It is the master messenger. It tells your cells how to store energy, but it also influences dozens of other hormonal systems. And when insulin is high all the time, which happens with frequent eating, processed carbs, and metabolic dysfunction, the message it sends to your body is this: store, grow, and hold on to energy. And that message has ripple effects. It alters how much thyroid hormone you make. It changes how your adrenal glands produce cortisol. It even affects sex hormone production, estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone in both women and men. So let's break down a few of the big ones. Let's talk about the thyroid first. Chronically high insulin slows the conversion of T4 to T3, which is your active thyroid hormone. That means slow metabolism, more fatigue, and weight that won't budge. Now let's talk about the sex hormones. In women, insulin resistance can trigger ovarian overproduction of the androgens, the male hormones, one of the root causes of PCOS. In men, it can do the opposite: lower testosterone and increase estrogen, and lead to low libido, mood changes, and muscle loss. It's like what they're supposed to be in a man and women kind of flip. And then there's cortisol. Insulin resistance keeps blood sugar unstable, forcing your adrenal glands to pump out more cortisol to keep the level steady. And over time, that chronic stress response disrupts sleep, appetite, and fat storage, especially around the belly. And then you have your hunger hormones, leptin and ghrelin. These are your hunger and fullness hormones. Insulin resistance blunts the leptin signal, so you don't feel satisfied after eating. It also keeps ghrelin elevated so that you're hungrier more often. The results: constant cravings and overeating. So here's the takeaway. When insulin is stable, your hormones tend to fall into balance. And when it's chronically elevated, the hormonal orchestra goes out of tune. And that's why you see fatigue, stubborn weight gain, low libido, mood swings, anxiety, reproductive issues, all tied back to metabolic dysfunction. The solution isn't just hormone replacement, it's fixing the root cause. Lowering insulin through low carb or ketogenic nutrition, resistance training, better sleep, and stress management restores the hormonal signals that keeps your body running smoothly. Have you noticed hormone changes like fatigue, weight gain, mood swings, even before your diabetes diagnosis? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you want to understand how insulin impacts memory too, go back and watch my video on blood sugar and the brain. They're deeply connected. This is Dr. Rose. I'll see you tomorrow on the next Daily Spoonful.